Going to be doing a back to school makeup, and I know that back to school probably isn't something that a lot of you guys look forward to or want to hear, but personally back to school for me was kind of like a fresh start. So I actually really enjoyed back to school season. I really loved getting new planners, pens, like stuff like that. I don't know, I just felt like it was kind of a nice way to set new goals, see my friends again. So hopefully that puts you in a good mood. If not, hopefully this video maybe does. So this makeup look is pretty simple and very similar to a lot of other makeup looks that I do, but this time I thought it would be fun if I just tried using Korean makeup. And I believe these are cruelty free. I did my best and tried to find cruelty free makeup products, but if I'm wrong, please definitely let me know down below so you can inform me and inform everyone else. So the only thing I'm going to be using that isn't Korean is this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I mean, you guys know that I love this. I use this every time. But the reason I didn't pick something Korean for a skin and complexion based product was because I cannot find one in my shade. A lot of them are too light for me, so I'm just gonna stick with this one. Oh, it's pretty hot. Okay, so my base is done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I have this natural auto eyebrow, and this is by Curology, and I've actually been using this quite a bit. I really like it. I remember I used to use pencils all the time, but for some reason not for some reason, I switched over to the 100% pure brow color because it's just really good at staying on my face. It is pretty sweat proof. So it never really smudged throughout the day, but I'm noticing that this one doesn't really smudge either, so I also really like it. My mom used to buy me eyebrow pencils when I was little. It was like the only makeup that I ever really wore when I was in high school, because you guys know that I got my eyebrows microbladed, but obviously I did this pretty recently, like a year ago. So when I was in high school, I didn't have any eyebrows. So my mom would buy me like eyebrow pencils to fill in my brows, and whenever I look back at those pictures of me in high school, I was so bad at filling in my brows. Like I would stop here. Like I didn't realize I needed to go further. Wow, my brows don't even look good now, so I don't know why I'm saying I'm better now. Okay, I need to fix this. I know that a lot of you guys always say like, oh, your makeup looks are all the same. And I do realize that they're all the same, and it's because I have tried to do colorful looks, and I'm not a makeup YouTuber. I just post them sometimes, or if you guys really want to see something, I try and post them. I tried so hard to do this blue eyeshadow look. I'm sure some of you who follow me on Instagram you saw me because I went on live and I asked you how it was, and you guys were so nice and said you liked it, but honestly, I looked pretty awful. I'm just really not good at makeup, and I haven't really mastered playing with colors on my eye shape or anything. So yeah, so that's why I do safe makeup looks, and I do them too because that's just what I like to wear, you know? So for my eyes, I have this One Shot Eye Palette by Chica y Chico, and this is in the kind of like pinkish palette. First, I'm just gonna take this kind of brownish, light brownish color, and I'm gonna use that as a base on my eyes. I always forget how not as brown this comes off on my eye, but I end up really liking it. I wanted to give you guys a little update on my Korean. So my Korean is going pretty well, actually. I have been on the phone with my mom 3 to 4 times a week. I try and do it every other day, but we talk 3 to 4 times a week, and she only speaks to me in Korean, and I try really hard to only speak to her in Korean, and it actually has really helped because it's so weird. I will know how to say some phrases, but like in the moment I can't think of how to say it, and then my mom will say it to me and I'll be like, I knew that, why couldn't I think of it before? And I think it's because I just am not speaking it and I'm not putting it into practice. Yeah, so it's been really helpful. I think I still suck. I know that I told you guys like my goal was to do a get ready with me in mostly Korean by the end of the year, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, of course I will still try, but whether it will for sure happen or not is still up in the air. Okay, I'm gonna take this light pink color here and just very lightly pat this onto my eye. I just think it's really pretty. I wanna have a little bit of a pink eye. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna very quickly put on eyelashes, and I know that's probably not the fastest routine for makeup. I do my lashes pretty quickly, and can you hear Pepper drinking water? And for the first day of school, I kind of like to look a little cuter, you know, a little more dressed up. That's honestly the most time consuming part. Everything else is pretty quick and easy. I have this 3CE Style Nanda blush, and this is in the shade Rose Beige. I love this blush. You guys will see why. It is seriously the perfect blush color. It just looks so like nice, and it's really nice and pink, but it's not too like baby pink or anything. It really looks like it's like coming from your skin, you know? So for lips, I have this Air Fit tint by McQueen New York. It's actually a lip and cheek tint, and I've used it for both and I really like it. I think it goes on really nice and smooth. At the bottom it says 202, but I will figure out the name of this color and I'll just have it linked below. But how I like to use this, I just dot it and then I will rub it in with my finger. Oh my gosh, you guys, so last night I watched Crazy Rich Asians. So I got invited to the premiere, an early screening of it. And I have never ever read the book. I kind of went in with like no expectations for the movie, but I came out and I think it's a really nice feel-good movie, and I thought it was really good. I think it is pretty cheesy, but I mean, it's a rom-com, so I was kind of expecting it to be cheesy, but it was cute and I really liked it. So you guys should go watch it. It comes out, I think it comes out in August, but I got to take my friend Wenny and we had so much fun. I'm really glad that I got to take her because I feel like I haven't really been paying attention to, okay, I have been paying attention to my friendships, but I haven't been taking actions toward my friendships. I think that, remember that one Get Ready With Me where I was telling you guys how I kept reaching out to people and kept getting rejected, and it just made me feel really, shitty. After that, I kind of just stopped. And so now I'm trying to take more initiative again and invite my friends to things and make my way out to go see them, but not be too pushy or force myself into situations because like I said, then again, I'll just feel really bad if it doesn't work out or if someone says no. So there's like a balance, you know? But I was really happy that I got to see Wenny because I feel like we don't really get to spend like one-on-one time together, and she's so nice and I just really get along with her. So I felt like it was super fun to just see her and get to share that experience with her because she had been really excited to see the movie. So I'm so happy that I got to take her to an early screening of it. So I'm gonna do my hair, and I usually don't like style it or anything, but let's just see how crazy it looks today. It doesn't look that bad, but it doesn't look that great. So usually if it's like this, I'll just put it in a little bun. I'm trying to debate whether I should like straighten it and like make it look nice and put together, if I should go for kind of like this lax look. I really like this laid back look. I think I'm gonna stick with this. And it's really easy. I feel like if your makeup took too long, you can just throw it in a tiny little bun like this and you'll be good to go. I think something that would complete this look would be glasses, but these are just like super reflective, so I'm just gonna put them on my head. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Also, I'm going to be going to KCON in August, KCON LA. It's in August. I will be there. I know a lot of you guys were asking me about that, so I just wanted to let you know. So hopefully I will see you guys there. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.